panel cleaning solutions for a sustainable future. Stereo's SCB44, genius model of cleaning brush family, developed by our talented R&D experts. This unit is designed to fulfill your needs in cleaning all styles of solar and photovoltaic facilities with its high efficiency. Stereo's SCB44, outstanding features as its environmentally friendly, chemical-free, fully modular design, advanced technology system, and minimum water consumption. Up to 5 times faster cleaning compared to other cleaning methods, maximizing the performance of the solar power plant by maintaining the highest energy output and preventing damage from permanent pollution, positions it as the future of solar farm cleaning. Maximum performance. For the highest production efficiency and extended life, solar panels must be properly cleaned. Stereo's SCB44 helps you reduce energy losses up to 70% by cleaning permanent impurities such as dust, flower pollen, algae, bird droppings, ammonia gases, or heavy pollution, and keeps the performance of solar panels maximized. Stereo's SCB44 with innovative solar panel cleaning technologies provides up to 9 megawatts of cleaning capacity per day. Stereo's SCB44 has an innovative brush design that applies only 15 kilograms